YouTube speech. Building your own RC adventure track. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you're all well, healthy, and continuing to have success in all your activities. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to everyone who has returned, watched, liked, commented, and supported this channel. I hope everyone watching this video, wherever they are, is staying healthy and safe. So, before I take this opportunity to play with my RC car on various terrains, such as dry land, rocks, rice field, and other natural tracks, I want to show you the process behind building this RC track. So, the track IMADE previously actually already exists, but it's still unfinished and still needs a lot of work. This time, I'm going to try to work on it again. I'll dig the ground, remove unnecessary soil, smooth out the path, and shape the track to make it more interesting and challenging for the RC car. I did this work myself. Luckily, my son helped me record the process, so you can see how hard I worked to prepare this track from the ground up. It turned out that making my own RC track is not as easy as I imagined. There is a lot of soil to dig, and it's quite demanding. I have to put in a lot of effort, sweat, and work little by little to make this track even better. This is especially true now that it's the dry season. The soil is quite dry and hard, making the digging and moving process even more difficult. Having more people do the work will certainly be faster. But for now, I'm trying to do it myself with what I have. But that's the challenge. I want to build my own RC track with my own hands, bit by bit, until it's truly ready for RC adventure play. This track is located in Ciamis, West Java, Indonesia. This is where I'm currently trying to create an RC playground with a natural track concept. I want to make the track more varied, with uphill and downhill terrain, dry ground, rocks, narrow paths, and various obstacles that will test the skills of my RC cars. I want this track to be more than just a place to run RC cars, but also a place to test my RC cars' capabilities in various terrains. So, guys, the process is not finished yet. There is still a lot of dirt to be removed and many paths to be tidied up. I'll try to continue developing this track so that it will be even better, more challenging, and of course, more fun to use in the future. I'd also like to thank everyone who has followed this channel. I hope you guys don't get bored watching the track creation process and future RC adventures. If you're curious about the final result, don't forget to stay tuned for the next video. We'll see if the track I'm currently building can provide an interesting challenge for RC cars. Okay, guys. Let's continue the track creation process for now. I'll go back to digging, moving dirt, and tidying up the path bit by bit. Hopefully, this track will be finished and become a cool RC adventure track. Thank you so much for watching and accompanying me on this track creation process. Don't forget to support this channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you in the next video. Greetings from RC Adventure from Ciamis, West Java, Indonesia.